a lot of practitioners make the error of thinking that because they've put a custom orthotic in the footbed of an orthopedic shoe, that it makes a custom-made orthopedic shoe. But it doesn't. Okay, I'll tell you what it does make in a minute. But this term, custom-made orthopedic shoe, is referring to shoes that are custom-made from the sole up. These shoes typically run $1,400 to $2,000. There are only a handful of people who are qualified to make these. And the orthotic group does not provide this type of custom-made shoe. Okay, so be very careful. You'll see in our calling insurance letter, we use very specific language, but I still do get calls and emails, which I'm very grateful to get. People saying, custom-made orthopedic shoes, does that mean my patient will be covered? And unfortunately, the answer is no. Okay, unless your patient has a severe deformity, even then, they'll probably only get $500 for a product that's actually costing about $2,000. Now, I have a good question here from Samuel, but I'm going to get to that in a minute, Samuel, when I get to the predetermination letters. Okay, so orthopedic shoes that are provided by the orthotic group are called internally modified stock orthopedic shoes. That's a mouthful. And you know what? The good news is that you don't have to memorize that because it's on the calling insurance form. And the difference between a custom-made orthopedic shoe and internally modified stock orthopedic shoe is enormous, right? So what we provide is an internally modified stock orthopedic shoe, which is one in which a retail shoe has the original insole removed and replaced with a custom-made orthotic, or what we can say is a custom-made insert. That's common language as well. The plan might require that the orthotic becomes a permanent part of the shoe, which is very easy to do. I used to do that in my clinic with some simple adhesive from Rona or a Home Depot. Okay. Now, having said that, there's no guarantee that, if the plan says it covers internally modified stock orthopedic shoes and you go, great, that's fantastic.